Charlie, will you go ahead and do it? Clock TD, clock TD, not in the rush or so.
I intend that of it. I intend that of it. We don't balance, are we? Oh, we don't balance. Who they hold now? I mean, they hold you now for the 10,000. Wait, give me that one. I will never count away that is 10,000. 1, 2. Hello, this is 2. 6, 2. Now you joke. Say, hey, shut up. See, see, people who came on this. They will try in bulk. You not shock. As you want to let you want cash out. You see your life. Poverty see the show for your life. Listen. People get money and bulk. My brother. You need to spread them. I'll buy this shoe because of this shoe. As I hear say that they come, as I die here. Yeah, the last one. I never shop and finish. I need to go collect. Okay, I'm not a bed down now. You not get height. Stand up, walker. And you wait food. Should they go down and say, you talk. They bed down because you okay better than all myself. All this one are package, you know, worry. Worry when they go snap you. One guy don't snap us, one for one. We say another here. He said, no, they're showing a combination. And they snap that. And they snap your parts. You go join up at the end. Oh God. Bros, that money when you throw, ginger. For my hand, you be dining table. The one to climb you now. I saw them go to. I tell us I go to. Who does I go to na wrong place, you know? I don't short talk. Short talk. When rich people they talk, poor man, quiet. Careful. Jesus, that money pass like crossing, like a cross. You know that's what Ronaldo they cross. Yeah. Now God will bless you, man. Now God will bless you. Make rich people cost me, not be person who go help. Quiet too. Say because you wear white shirt and not be say you get money or coat. When you be like pig, when you in case you dey meet me for the first time, now me that they go and borrow. The only grace man for this is me wey one who come, I never go put mattress down. Now me they give people time now. At the end 6:45 a.m. Anybody who want perform go continue from that one. Hypocrite! I know if you are a proud Igbo man. Hypocrite! One guy don't work for Allah by blood the hot in Nose market Monday morning. He's not to close by 6 because he not say he close 4.
Yeah, what up? I go by the name Buzzard Deals. I want you to keep watching Plug TV. Don't touch that dial. My kimeti akosho kogi. Happy like that. One love.
I said 2.5. The man said you said both. He called. 2 days later I call again. Sir, it's a borrow. I ask you again, how much is your price? I said, sir, you know we have family. Give anything when you like. How much you budget for this show? The man said, I get 120. I said, sir, when is the show? He said that this evening. I said, I get your frontage. Buhari don't humble all of us. People when they buy goats before, goats, you go hear goat. Now, my brother, God will bless you. You will notice when you buy. If I had money, not to a shekel. Each one which I define now. I don't perform finish. Yes. This is 1 o'clock. I think you have 5 hours to go. Are we? Now 6:2 you give me. You don't near hello. You don't near the carton. You are here so. As they come out from first time like that, they pull up. Dust am, pa, pa, pa. Take nylon, wrap am. Okoko not the same way. Till when I won't wear them again. This one be the first shoe for my life. What about? When is it? If I won't wear them, person they help me carry them. Can't wait for me for first time. I'll go use bike for Okoko reach first time. Oh yeah, wear the shoe. Yeah. As I come back, I pull them. Oh yeah. Now separate person they carry them. From this money where they spray me now, I get why they pay to carry the shoe. So you don't say walk plenty. Walk plenty. Play no day. Yeah, you buy this kind of shoe. With this kind of money. Filling station, now they go. The thing even tell you, you owe your neighbor. This man of you love again. I be man, no. I know we complete skill. I be man. You small ways, you know if you hold on. You hold it. What do you want to know? Yeah. This baby is sexy. If you not die this night, make her die. If I don't kill you, when you tell me say again and that, I'll first shoot myself, die first, so that you not go beg me. Go kill you. As the spirit stand up, you will go fight. I go kill you. Like you must die like 4 times. Don't waste one man. This one way respect yourself, fall down. You tell me nothing. The last show, that's what they treat for me for regular show. I won now. I won him. Now he quiet. You see the way it does. This bros, I don't wait till they wrong way to get baby like that. One go go just see this baby, so boy see baby. God bless you.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy MC Danfo, the guru of comedy, the king of comedy club, the only comedian that runs comedy club from Monday to Monday in Nigeria. Yeah, I want to thank every of my fans, my friends, my well-wishers for coming out for me, for my show, even you watching me. Keep watching MC Danfo. More things to come. More things to Plug TV is here. Thank you, Plug TV, for making today a success for me. It's wonderful. All media houses, you guys are wonderful.